Mold doesn't always show itself. It hides behind walls, under floors, and inside vents, growing silently until a smell or symptom forces you to look. Sign 1. A persistent musty smell with no visible source. If a room consistently smells damp, especially when the HVAC runs, mold is likely behind a surface. Sign 2. Allergy symptoms that improve the moment you leave home. Runny nose, itchy eyes, and headaches that ease up outside are classic signs of airborne mold spores. Sign 3. Water stains on ceilings or walls. That faded brown ring didn't fix itself. Mold is likely already growing in the wall cavity behind it. Signs 4 and 5. Soft spots in drywall or flooring, and rust stains around pipe penetrations. Both mean chronic hidden moisture. Exactly where mold thrives. Sign 6. Grout or caulk that keeps going dark no matter how often you clean it. That's not a surface problem. It's a moisture problem behind the tile. Sign 7. The musty smell gets worse when the air handler kicks on. That means mold may be living inside your ducts, spreading spores to every room. Don't wait. Call Life Savers Restoration LLC at 72845-1325 for a free estimate.